All right, here's a very quick tip on how to reduce the light coming into your fisheye lens. I recently did a video showing examples of this fisheye lens defished using 4K video, and one of the questions was how to put an ND filter on the lens here. Now, because the lens protrudes further and the extreme wide angle of the fisheye lens, it's very difficult to put a lens on top of this. Even if you were to build a box over it, you would get reflection between this glass and your exterior filter. So one of the tips that you could try, and I just did it earlier and I'll show you an example, is pick up a pack of these Rosco gels here. It's a creative filter kit that I had laying around. One of them, number 3404, reduces light by 3 stops, which I just tore out over here, and then I just cut out a little piece here, put it actually behind the lens. You gotta be careful not to get your fingerprints on there, and I'm sure you can find a better way to mount this, but if you look closely inside this lens, there is a gap here, so it's not going to cause any problems to your micro four thirds camera. In fact, the sensor in here is blocked by a piece of glass as well. Anyways, so once you have that in place, you put that on there and you have an ND filter behind the lens, reduces it by 3 stops. If you need more light, you just change the ISO or play with your aperture, but that'll cut down the light. So here's a quick test with and without the ND filter, and also zoomed in at 400% so you could see that it's not really losing a lot of sharpness. And I have no sharpness or no sharpening done in post. I'm also running a very flat profile, so you can basically tell that you can enhance the image even more. But that is a quick tip on how to add an ND filter to a fisheye lens when you can't put one in the front. All right, so hopefully that was helpful for you guys. As you can see, it is very useful to have a filter behind here, even though it's a little hack. There are links to this product right here. You get the whole kit on Amazon. And for more information about this stuff, check it out, Cheesycam.com.